When I first started teaching about cells, I found it to be quite boring. And I wanted to bring the experience of looking at a cell underneath a microscope to the real world for these kids. So I created a way in which I could make the cell big and the students could walk into it, a la the magic school bus, if you will.
I was confused at first because it was like, how are we gonna create a cell inside a classroom?
The two parts, the build and then the presentation. It's structure and function. It's a theme that runs all through biology. How something is built determines how it functions. So the build is them learning the structure of their organelle.
The feeling of independence was really like what gave us the power with the project. It was really your own thing, and the teachers were just there to help you and answer some basic questions, but it was really on you, and I think the students understood that and took initiative very quickly.
The skills that I'm looking for them to develop are collaboration, communication, and compassion, because they have to learn how to be leaders, but they also have to learn how to be led.
It was kind of difficult trying to make sure that everybody had a part in what we were supposed to do, but as well as not be too controlling. The dynamic of my group was actually really good. It was actually really nice working with other people and meeting new people that I didn't even know in the beginning of the year. I think that it made our 9th grade as a whole more comfortable with each other.
During the celebration, we get every possible learning style, every level of intellectual rigor, working together to create one enduring memory where they all learned despite their differences.
I'm a visual learner. Being able to see what's going on really helps the understanding.
It was definitely stressful, it was definitely hard, but it was a great way to work with classmates and experience new things, incorporating the biology into a fun way of learning.
My actual favorite part of the week is just before each presentation, where we're introducing it to everyone who's there. And it's in that moment where we all who are there are kind of agape in awe with them at what they created. This is learning that lasts. It's an experience that they all share, and it's something that they're always going to remember.